Tsinsa na kuno na matele na momo na twinent. The chairperson of the Codex Elementaries Commission, FAO Sub-Regional Coordinator for the Pacific Islands, Deputy WHO Representative for Fiji, members of the Codex Committee for North America and Southwest Pacific region, Excellencies, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Nisambolo Vinaka, and a very good morning to you all. I would like to begin by recognizing the traditional custodians of the land where we gather today and extend our respect to the elders from both the past and the present, as well as to future generations. On behalf of the Honorable Prime Minister and the government of Fiji, I am delighted to extend a warm welcome to all of you here in Fiji. It is an honor to be your chief guest at the 17th session of the Codex Committee for North America and Southwest Pacific region, marking the second time Fiji is hosting as the regional coordinator. Ladies and gentlemen, as dedicated members of CC NASWAP region, we stand united in a rich history that underscores the purpose of our committee. Established 36 years ago, this mission remains as vital today as it was then, focusing on ensuring food safety for our region and generations to come. Food safety is not just a regional concern. It is a global priority that represents one of the most pressing challenges in trade, public health, and consumer protection. We are driven to identify and implement transformative solutions that will meet these challenges. In the face of evolving threats such as climate change, global supply chain dynamics, shifting dietary trends, and emerging pathogens, the necessity of safeguarding our food systems is more critical than ever. Given the close interconnection of trade, nutrition, and food safety, enhanced collaboration across various sectors and engagement between Codex and other global entities is crucial. The integrity of our food is essential for our health, cultural identity, economic security, and the trust that connects us as nations or islands within our region. Together, we will meet the challenge and secure a safe food future for everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, as we come together today to navigate these challenges in the context of both North America and the Southwest Pacific region, it is essential to recognize the diversity and complexity of the food systems we operate within. From the advanced food safety systems of North America to the developing frameworks in some parts of the Southwest Pacific, we share a common goal: to safeguard the health of our population and ensure that food products meet the highest standards of safety, quality, and sustainability. North America, with its immense agricultural landscapes, sophisticated infrastructure, and regulatory frameworks, has long been a leader in setting food safety standards. However, even with these advantages, the region continues to face ongoing challenges, whether it is in the rise of new foodborne pathogens, the complexities of cross-border trade, or the increased demand for sustainable and traceable food production. As we witness heightened global interconnectedness, we must ensure that our food safety standards remain adaptable, transparent, and harmonized to protect consumers and facilitate trade across borders. Ladies and gentlemen, the Southwest Pacific, on the other hand, is a region marked by a remarkable diversity of cultures, economies, and food systems. While significant progress has been made in recent years, many countries are still in the process of developing and improving food safety regulations and infrastructure. Food safety challenges in the Southwest Pacific often include limited resources, emerging risks, and the need for tailored solutions that account for local contexts. Strengthening the region's food safety frameworks will not only protect public health, but also stimulate economic growth by enhancing trade opportunities, improving food security, and boosting consumer confidence. Ladies and gentlemen, the importance of our work for the region is substantial. As we convene for the 17th session of CCNASWA, it's crucial that we reflect on our journey, envision the future of trade in the region, and identify how the community will tackle challenges while engaging stakeholders for their essential input on food safety issues. This event is a pivotal opportunity for us to share best practices, collaborate across borders, and establish partnerships that will address the ever-evolving landscape of food safety. Together, we must bridge gaps in knowledge, enhance regulatory capacities, and drive innovative solutions to ensure our populations have access to safe, nutritious, and sustainable food. As we navigate the upcoming sessions, we must prioritize cooperation among governments, industry, civil society, and consumers. Only through a united and comprehensive approach, we can guarantee that food safety remains at the forefront of our food systems to remain resilient against future challenges. Ladies and gentlemen, the region has made impressive strides in the last 4 years with the successful approval of the Codex Trust Fund application, leading to 2 countries receiving funding support. The adoption of the cover standard at step 5 has had a profound impact through a commercial cover pilot program, cover legalization in Germany, and the endorsement of the regional cover strategy. The adoption of the regional NONI standard of CAC 46 was also a significant achievement that underscores your commitment. The CCNASWAP 16 has established a solid foundation for new work proposals in the region, which will be presented and endorsed in this meeting. The progress we've made is a testament to your commitment and collaboration and the dedicated support of technical experts from the UNWHO and the UNFAO. I would like to take this opportunity to express my sincere gratitude to the committee and the members of the international organization for your exceptional technical expertise. Your unwavering dedication and commitment to ensuring food safety in our region and around the world has laid a strong foundation for a healthier future. Furthermore, I wish to express my gratitude for the privilege of Fiji serving as the regional coordinator for 2 consecutive terms. And I would also like to extend my warmest congratulations to the upcoming appointed regional coordinator. Ladies and gentlemen, members of the CCNASWAP, I am confident that the 17th session of the Codex Committee for North America and the Southwest Pacific region will ignite fruitful discussions, cultivate valuable insights, and yield impactful outcomes that will enhance food safety standards. This vital work will lead us toward more effective, inclusive, resilient, and sustainable food systems in the region, opening new markets for our products and driving economic growth. Together we have the power to shape a brighter future for food safety in the Naswat region and beyond. Denarau, thank you very much.